Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate random numbers in Excel. Let's get started. This tutorial covers how to generate random numbers from 0 to 1. But not only that, we're going to have a look at how to generate random numbers within any range you define, whether you need whole numbers or decimals. If you want to generate random numbers from 0 to 1, click into the cell you've selected. Then enter the equal sign and type in rand. Click on the suggested function, enter an opening bracket, and right after the closing bracket. Now press enter, and Excel will generate a random number in the cell. The number of decimal places can be adjusted at the top on the ribbon. In the section Numbers, using the buttons Increase and Decrease Decimals, you can add or remove decimal places as needed. If you want to generate more random numbers between 0 and 1, hover the cursor over the bottom right corner of the cell where the function is located. Once you see the plus sign, click the left mouse button and drag the function down to the last cell you want to populate. Now let's see how we can generate random whole numbers within a chosen range. Again, select a cell and click into it, enter the equal sign, and type in rand between. Excel will need two details: the upper and the lower bound of the range within which you want to generate random numbers. Let's say we want to generate random numbers within the range of 100 up to 1000. Let's set the lower bound first, which is 100. Enter a comma, and then type in the upper bound, which is 1000. Close the brackets, hit enter, and that's all it takes. If you need to generate more random numbers, simply copy the function to the rest of the cells by dragging down the bottom right corner of the cell. And let's have a look at how to generate random decimals within the range you need. As before, we'll use the range 100 to 1000. Click into the selected cell once more, enter the equal sign, and here it comes. We need to use a slightly different formula that will help us generate these random decimals. Enter the lower bound of the range, which is 100. Type in the plus sign, and enter the number you get as the result of subtracting the lower bound value from the upper one. This means that we will take 1000, which is the upper bound of the range, and we will subtract 100 as its lower bound. The result is 900, so carry on typing 900 into the formula you've already started, and multiply it with the function rand. Close the brackets, hit enter, and that's it. Excel has generated a random decimal number within the range of 100 to 1000. Just like before, if you need more random decimals within the chosen range, you can copy the function to the rest of the cells using the steps you're already familiar with. And at last, let's check out a little trick which can be useful when generating random numbers. If you need to generate random numbers anew, you can simply refresh the formulas by going to the tab Formulas and using Calculate Now. Thanks to this function, Excel will generate a new set of random numbers in all cells that contain the formula. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.